નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Welcome students to first part of 10th chapter, tenths and hundredths of standard 5th mathematics. Now what you will learn, what it will be the outcome of this chapter. Let's see. See, you will come to know small and big units of length, we can say distance, weight and volumes, isn't it? And you will learn how to convert them from small to big. Then after, you will be able to solve simple problems and related to length, related to weight, volume, temperature, then related to currency also. Then you will come to know changes in temperature related to time of different states and cities. So this will be the outcome. This is going to be very interesting chapter, let me tell you. So let's start this chapter and be with me until the end of this chapter. Okay, first of all, open your textbook page number 134. Open your textbook page number 134. Second thing, if you have not yet your textbook, if you do not have a scale, then do one thing, and a pencil also. Keep a pencil, your textbook as well as a scale also with you, so that we can go for such activities and something what is in this textbook, we can perform that, we can do that. Okay, so now let's start our chapter. You are on the page number 136, isn't it? What was the length of the smallest pencil you have used? See, from the kg you are using pencil, and up to 4th standard you were answering with the help of pencil only. So what was the length of the smallest pencil you have used? Do you know how to answer that? You can say it is 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter long. Okay, but first of all you should know how much is the 2 centimeter, how much is the 3 centimeter. For that, first of all look into your scale, so that you could come to know. Okay, so I give answer of this question in such way like this. See, what was the length of the smallest pencil you have used? It is in your question textbook. Answer, the length of the smallest pencil I have used is 5 centimeter. मतलब क्या I used up till this time I am using pencil, but the smallest pencil I used was 5 centimeter long. 4 centimeter long pencil I have never used like that. Okay, let's go further. How long is this pencil? Guess in centimeter. Now in your textbook, can you see there is a pencil here? You can see a pencil. Now the question is what? How long is the pencil? Guess. Now आपको guess करना है. How it must be the length of this pencil? How long it is? So I give this answer that it is 3.5 centimeter long as per my guessing. What I guess? It is 3.5 centimeter. So let me write 3.5 over here. See, you have your pencil as well as your textbook with you, isn't it? So whatever the questions I am answering over here, what you will do, you will also answer. Suppose there is a blank in this, then by that time only you will answer that. Okay, if you want to answer what I am suggesting you, you may go for that, or else you may think over the question and answer as per your guess also. See why? Because it is a guess. So let me write over here 3.5 centimeter. Okay, why I write down? So that you could come to know whenever you are watching this video, you also will answer the questions with me. It will be more helpful to you. That is why I am doing so. So you also note down your answer into this blank. Okay, let's go further. Measure it using a scale. How good is your guess? Now what you will do, you have to measure it with the help of a scale. See, I have scale. Okay. Now what I should do, I have to put 0 at the end of this one. And like this I have to go for. And if you could not understand, then you can see here that how to measure this pencil. You can see here. 1 minute. You can see here this figure. See, the same pencil is there, and how to place this pencil at 0, that is also you can see. And see that sharpened pencil, that nib of the pencil or the one end of this pencil over here. So that what they did, they have marked this line. You can see in your textbook also. So how to measure that pencil? It is, you can see in this textbook. Okay, and measure it using scale. How good your guess? So looking into this picture, you can see the dotted line is here. See, one more thing I would like to show you. See, here you can see 3 is written. Here you can see 4 is written. This is centimeter. Here 3 is there, then after 4 is there. In between you can see 10 parts are there. You can see 10 small lines. Those are 10 parts. So in between 3 to 4, isn't it? Okay, and you can see everywhere at the 5th part you will find a big line. Everywhere in between 5th line, a 5th part we can say, a big line you will see. Here also you can see. Okay, so that is 5, and then after one more part is there, that is 3.6, isn't it? So the answer should be how long is the pencil? 3.5 centimeter. It is 3.5 centimeter long as per my guessing. And now measure it using a scale. How good is your guess? Measuring with scale, the length of pencil is 3.6 centimeter. I made good guess. Why? Because I guess it is 3.5 centimeter, but only 1 millimeter change. That is 3.6 centimeter, isn't it? So I guess very good. Okay. Now let's go further. In your textbook, you can see this one. We are reading this one. Here, 1 centimeter has 10 equal parts. So each part is 1/10 of centimeter. 1/10 of centimeter is called 1 millimeter. Now let me make you understand this. You know this actually. You know, with the help of circle, suppose there is a circle. This is a circle. And if there are, suppose, how many parts I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 parts are there, isn't it? So total 8 parts is equal to 1 circle. But if I want to write this part only, first part, then how I can write it is 1/8, है ना, or I can say 8th part, it is an 8th part. Okay, so remember this one. Now if a circle have 10 parts, then out of 10 one part is 10th part, it is 8th part, isn't it? Same way, now if we look on this scale, suppose this one 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So you can see there are total 10 parts in between. Suppose here, then starting from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and this is 10. है ना, total 10 parts are there in between this centimeter. So this one part is called 10th part. This part is called 10th part. Okay, and that is why here 1 centimeter has 10 equal parts. You can see 1 centimeter has 10 equal parts. So each part is 1/10. So each part is 1/10 of a centimeter. 1/10 of a centimeter is 1 millimeter. Okay. So if you take this part, that is also 10th part. If you take this part, see every part are same, है ना? So if you take any part, any one part out of this 10, है ना? That is 10th part. That is why it is written that each part is 1/10. Okay. So this part is, I can say this one, then it is 1/10 centimeter, है ना, 1/10 centimeter, 10th part we can say. Okay, but this much, see this full is, this much is centimeter, but its 10th part, let it be any part, this much is millimeter, millimeter. In short, we can write mm. Okay. Now 1 millimeter, you can see this much is 1 millimeter. This much is 1 millimeter. And this is also 1 millimeter, isn't it? Let me write with blue pen. This much is also 1 millimeter. But 1 millimeter, this much, I write 1/10, isn't it? 1/10 centimeter. So 1/10 centimeter, 1/10 centimeter is equal to 1 millimeter, isn't it? I can say 10th part. 10th part is 1/10 centimeter, है ना? 10th part of centimeter, 1/10 centimeter is equal to, now every 10th part is, or each 10th part is millimeter. So it is 1 millimeter. So 10th part, if you want to write, then 1/10 centimeter is equal to 1 millimeter, isn't it? But you know 1/10, isn't it? So if I want to write in decimal, then I can write 0.1 centimeter. Instead of this, I can write 1/10 is 0.1, and centimeter is centimeter, is equal to 1 millimeter. So 0.1 centimeter is equal to 1 millimeter. Remember this. Write down somewhere over here. See what you should do. 0.1 centimeter is equal to 1 millimeter. Note down here. You should write 0.1 centimeter is equal to 1 mm. note down somewhere over here in your textbook with the help of pencil. It will be helpful to you. I hope you must have understood this. Millimeter is a 10th part of centimeter. Let's go further. So this pencil is 3 centimeters and 6 millimeters long. Now let me make you understand. Suppose 0.1 centimeter is equal to 1 millimeter. Now 1 millimeter is what? This is 1 millimeter. Now if I go this much, then it is 2 millimeter. If I go this much, then it is 3 millimeters, 4 millimeters, 5 and 6 millimeters. So our pencil is, look into your textbook, it is 3, then after this much and then after up to this. So 3 centimeters, suppose here it is 3, then 3 centimeters and then after up to this. So 3 centimeters and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 millimeters, isn't it? So our pencil is 3 centimeter and 6 millimeters long. Let's go further. Here in which my ants went somewhere for sugar, but in your textbook you can see there is an ant only, isn't it? See, I am 3 millimeter long. Can you see an ant in your textbook? And you can see it is 3 millimeter long. And the another end over here in this one, in this side, but I am longer, 7/10 of a centimeter. 7/10 centimeter. See, it is 7/10 of a centimeter. Now 7/10 is what? This much. 7/10 is this much, isn't it? That is 7/10. But actually it is 7 millimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is 7 millimeters, isn't it? So, if it is 7/10, whether it is there or not. Okay, 7/10 of a centimeter, or here I can write 7 millimeter. 7 millimeter. See, 1/10 of centimeter is equal to 1 millimeter. So 7/10 of centimeter is equal to 7 millimeter. Okay. So with this, let's go further. Only 2 lines. Then after we will complete this part. We also can call 1/10 of a centimeter as 0.1 centimeter. We also say 1/10 of centimeter is 0.1 centimeter. Look into your textbook. We read it 0.1 centimeter. Now how to read this? This is 0.1 centimeter. So 1 millimeter is same as 0.1 centimeter. So 1 millimeter is same as 0.1 centimeter. 1 millimeter is same as 0.1 centimeter. Remember these all things. Now on the next page, page number 135, what is the length of this pencil? Can you see a pencil, a very small pencil is there, and it is starting from 1. So say 1 is 0, then how many millimeters? You can see total 6 millimeters are there, isn't it? So in millimeter, I should write I should write 6 millimeter, isn't it? So what it should be the answer? The length of the pencil is 6 millimeter. Now another question is there, what is its length in centimeter? Now 6 millimeter. So if 1 millimeter is 0.1 centimeter, so 6 millimeter will be 0.6 centimeter. That is why its length in centimeter is 0.6 millimeter. Sorry, it should be 0.6 centimeter. Here it should be 0.6 centimeter, isn't it? So with this we are ending this part. We will learn something more. Okay, but watch this video 2 to 3 times and try to understand what is centimeter and millimeter. How to convert from centimeter to millimeter, millimeter to centimeter. Thank you. We'll meet you in the next part. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.